Alright guys, what is going on? Can you believe I'm wearing short sleeves? Finally we have some good weather here in the Midwest. So I took the wheels out from the porch and I think it's a good idea. We wash them right now. We wash the inside and the outside. Give them a good nice cleanup so they're nice and fresh. And I'm probably using the word nice too much. So it's nice seeing you guys as well. And let's get into this nice video. And I gotta tell you guys, these things in the sunlight are amazing. Whew. Alright guys, so if you're just tuning in, we just picked up these 2019 Acura RDX wheels. We got these deal, and I'm gonna tell you guys how this deal went through and how I got lucky to pick these up for such a dirt cheap price. But we are just using right now some warm water, Dawn dish soap, just to remove the excess residue and the rain and debris that has formed on the wheel. I typically don't use any kind of special wheel cleaners for my vehicles. I find that a good detergent for your vehicle and just a nice sponge will do the job just as well. Maybe if I had a higher end vehicle with some crazy amounts of brake dust or something like that, it would be more beneficial. I'm not sure. You guys comment below if you guys use wheel cleaners and why. Are they really that much better? I mean, I know that some guys just spray the wheel cleaner and then rinse off, but I mean, is it really so hard to just take a nice microfiber cloth and agitate the wheel a little bit? I don't know. But anyway guys, I was looking on OfferUp that day and I came across the title Acura RDX wheels, $350. And then when I clicked on the picture, it was just a generic picture of the wheel. It wasn't a, it was pretty much a like a store picture that you would find on Acura.com as like a generic picture, right? So I texted that guy, I sent him a message and I told him, hey, can you send me some pictures of the wheels? And then he responded back in a few hours and he told me that the pictures are updated on the OfferUp page and to go look at OfferUp. So I go ahead, I jump back on OfferUp, and then I see all the pictures and the wheels. I'll throw in the pictures right now that he posted on there. The wheels look like they're at a dealership. I'm like, what the heck? You work at a dealership? And he told me, yeah. So right off the bat, I'm really confused because how's the dealership selling stuff on OfferUp? I didn't understand it. So I also noticed that the original price of $350 went up to $450. So I told him, hey man, I noticed you put up the new pictures, but I see that you increased the price as well. And he's like, yeah, I did increase the price because I thought these were used, but they're brand new. So I'm like, wow, that's crazy. They're brand new and $450? That's not a bad deal regardless. But he told me he will honor my $350 price that he told me that he originally posted them for. So at that point, I knew this was a deal. I need to go check these wheels out ASAP before somebody else jumps on it and they have such an amazing deal. By the way guys, maybe this is where I need that wheel cleaner because this is a little harder to come off. Or I wish I had a pressure washer too. That might help a little bit. But I mean, as soon as he told me he's cool with $350, right after work, I went to get the wheels. Now here was another situation. I carpooled with my friend that day to work. So I didn't have my car. I didn't have my wallet on me since I didn't drive. I didn't have no cash on me, nothing. So my boy Mike actually was cool enough. He went to Chase. He whipped out $350 cash for me. And thank God he was cool with picking up the wheels with me. And because he had an awesome 2018 Toyota Corolla IM, everything was able to fit in the car, no problem. So everything happened so quickly. It was just meant to be. It was efficient. It was a nice transaction. And we are where we are right now, you know. So these wheels look fantastic. Once I get to clean them up, you guys will see for yourselves how immaculate they look. And comment below, what do you guys think? You guys think that the guy at the dealership was doing some shady stuff and trying to sell it on the side? I don't know if you guys noticed, I did blur out his face in the previous video just for his protection. Obviously, I don't want nobody losing their job for this, but I'm curious if he's selling these things on the side or if the dealership's actually, at the end of the day, collecting the money and the profits. So enjoy the video, guys, as I wash the barrels and the whole wheel. Look, they even got the sticker on here. And as you can see, I'm washing on the cardboard because I don't want any damage to the rim. All right, let's hose this bad boy off and see the beauty that the wheel has to offer. Alright guys, and just look at that comparison. Look at that barrel. You can see all the watermarks and the dirt and the grime that's built up in the barrel, probably from sitting. And look at the difference once we got that cleaned up. Nice and clean, nice and fresh. Alright kid family, thank you for watching this little short episode when I clean my wheels. Now you guys know the story and how I got these wheels for so cheap. And guys, if you keep looking around, there's always a deal out there. You just gotta negotiate. Because remember, all the profits always start with your purchasing price. So the lower you can buy a set of wheels or a set of anything in life, the more you'll be able to profit when it comes time to sell. So on the next video, which I'm gonna probably film today since it's such a beautiful, gorgeous day out here in the Chi, we're gonna try to mount these wheels on my 8th gen Civic. Obviously, I do not have tires on them, and I don't plan on putting tires on them because I don't plan on running my Civic on 19s, but we'll still mock up just the wheels. We'll drop the suspension under load so we can kind of gauge how it will look. So if you guys are excited, smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and share these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya, kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own,